about 2 minutes. Hello and welcome to CTS Cement, producers of Rapid Set Cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. In just a few moments, we'll be demonstrating some of our most popular Rapid Set Cement products. I'm Matt Samble, Vice President of Product Development. And before I tell you more about our products, I want to tell you a little bit about our great people. We have amazing engineers, material scientists, and chemists, including multiple PhDs on staff who are researching technology and developing new products. We also have a fantastic production team and quality team, and they're working literally around the clock trying to keep and make sure we have enough products to get out to your job sites. And then the quality team is making sure we get the highest quality products, and so nothing gets out the door unless it's of the highest quality. And then we've got a great sales team. Their main job is to help support you and make your jobs more successful. So CTS Cement is the largest U.S. manufacturer of calcium sulfoaluminate cement, or CSA cement for short. It's a lot easier to say. But Rapid Set is a standalone Bilitic CSA cement which delivers speed, strength, and durability. It gets structural strength in as little as 1 hour, allowing you to put your projects back into service sooner. It also has low shrinkage, low permeability, and superior resistance to sulfate attack. Now, I mentioned durability. We actually placed Rapid Set concrete at SeaTac Airport back in the mid-90s, and we had an independent lab come out and test it many years later, and they determined the strength continued to increase well beyond the 28-day mark, all the way out to 15 years when they tested it. In fact, the flexural strength on that runway is double today what it was when they first started landing planes on it back in the 90s. Also, the production of Rapid Set cement emits less CO2 than the production of Portland cement. So that means Rapid Set is really a greener alternative to Portland. So Rapid Set's been used on a lot of airport panel replacements. It's been used on many commercial and industrial floors, tilt-up construction, cast in place, precast, residential, commercial. Really, Rapid Set's been used in all aspects of concrete repair and restoration. So Rapid Set will save you time and money, and you'll get high quality results. So let's get to the demonstrations. That's the fun part. Today we'll be demonstrating the Cementol in the blue bag and the concrete mix in the green bag. And these are two of our most popular products. You probably already used them. But the Cementol is a multi-purpose repair material. It's engineered to set in 15 minutes and get structural strength in 1 hour. Concrete mix is also engineered to set in 15 minutes. It also gets structural strength in 1 hour. The difference is that it has a 3/8 inch aggregate, so it's ideal for applications from 2 inches all the way up to 24 inches deep. So I can hear they've already started mixing the product. While they're doing that, I'll remind you, both of these are made with Rapid Set Bilitic CSA cement. It's a standalone cement, so you don't have to blend it with Portland or any other cement to get high early and long-term strength and excellent durability. So come on up, get a little closer, make sure you can see all these demonstrations on stage. And if there's anything you can't see, Jim is our camera operator. He's gonna get great shots for you up on these screens. So they're just finishing up the Cementol. The Cementol has a fine silica sand, so it's great for spall repairs. What we're gonna do today, sorry, I'm gonna stand out of your way over here. What we're gonna do today is ramp it from feather edge up to 4 inches thick. To the Concrete Pharmacy product, Cementol is compatible with our Concrete Pharmacy. If you can see, if you can see on the screen, we've got the set control, which will give it more working time. And what Rafa just added here is our flow control. This is it's a admixture that'll give it more fluidity without having to add extra water. So the benefit of using the flow control is you can keep the water dosage low, which will give you better strength and lower shrinkage, but still give you the added fluidity. So hopefully we can see on the screen what the texture was, the consistency before he added the flow control, and then after he'll mix it up for about a minute, we'll be able to see how much more fluid it is without having to add any extra water. So as soon as the surface loses its moist sheen, as it starts to set, you want to add a little extra water, water cure it, and what the water and really helps it hydrate properly and get the right strength. So again, he's ramping this from a feather edge all the way up to 4 inches thick. Cementol has a very low shrinkage, so even at 4 inches, you have a much lower risk of cracking. So next we'll be demonstrating the concrete mix. The concrete mix here, you can see this was mixed with 4.5 quarts of water per 55-pound bag. And you'll see the consistency of this. It's very easy to apply. Just like the Cementol, the concrete mix is also compatible with the Concrete Pharmacy. So you can use the set control if you need more working time, and the flow control if you want to add a little more fluidity. Good job, looks great. So these have been used on several projects. This is the IBC Bank parking garage in Austin, Texas. On this project, they had a very poor broom finish, so the car tires were slipping when finished it with a broom and gave it finished it with a sponge, then gave it a broom finish, and they were able to open it up to traffic the next day. They also used Cementol at the Wyong Railway Station. This is in Wyong, Australia. They needed a very fast setting repair on the copings here, and they used Cementol and had great success. In the Pentagon, this was a 10-year renovation project. They actually had to replace 20 to 30, or there were spalls, there was some exposed rebar that was corroded. And the government requirement on this project is that they needed a 50-year product. And have a great day.